Carol asked a question in our Facebook group over whether or not she should pay the extra money to get Motorhome Specific Thetford toilet paper, or whether she could just buy toilet roll from her local supermarket and use that in her van. There are definitely some things that I would say yes, pay a little bit more to get Motorhome Specific stuff, but toilet roll is not one of them. It depends on what you're going to do with the toilet paper. We're about to get quite graphic here, but if it's going to go down the cassette after you've used it, then I would get the cheapest supermarket own brand stuff that you can find, stuff that dissolves really, really quickly. The quicker it breaks down, the easier it's going to be to empty your cassette. You don't want a load of toilet paper clogging it all up so it doesn't empty properly. If you're going to do what we do, and we put ours into a bag when we've used it and then it gets disposed of in the rubbish, we do that for several reasons, but the biggest reason is to stop the toilet getting us full so we can use it for longer when we're off grid. If you're going to do that, then you can use whatever type of toilet paper you like. You can use nice thick Andrex, other brands are available if you wish, or we just buy supermarket own brand wherever we go and use that. But honestly, it doesn't matter at all if it's going to go in a bag and not down the cassette. But if it's going to go in a cassette, use really cheap supermarket stuff, but do not pay the inflated prices for motorhome only specific toilet paper. You don't need it. Hope that helped. Bye.